All right, this is day number 50. Let's dive into it. So, initially, the daily was not giving me any good confirmation, so to say. So, we were trading down here. I guess you could say that this order block held and you could have been long biased, but not after you seeing this wick. So, going down to the 12-hour, you got this big order block right here, which you can say that it was holding well. So that was like my first, okay, we might be bullish signal. Then you got the 4-hour. When I started trading, the 4-hour was around here. So we were inside this candle and I was paying close attention to this order block right here. Now, if you go into the 1-hour, you can see that we have this high, we got this low, then you got this high, and then this low gets taken out, and then basically we broke the high here, so now that means we are bullish. However, this could just be internal order flow for the 4-hour to touch the order block and then sell off instead of continuing going higher. So I waited and I said, okay, if the 4-hour closes above here, I'm gonna be looking for longs. And this is the 15-minute, this is where I started trading, and the 15-minute flip bullish here at the beginning of the trading session respected the fair value gap. So first signs of bullishness here. And we got this massive candle all the way up to here. And I said, okay, there's no problem. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna be patient. I'm not gonna make the same mistakes that I did this past couple of weeks. Not past couple of weeks, but this week so far and last week. So I'm gonna be patient. If I missed a trade, I missed a trade. There's no point in me, rushing things. Just execute as best as you can. So I was looking at the 5-minute and I said, okay, we're going into the 5-minute fair value gap. There's this candle right here, which is flat. And you can see that we wicked it, and this is basically set the 15-minute wick as well, and the 1-hour wick as well. At this point, I was thinking, okay, this might be the wick, but is it going to be really that small and then we push higher? So I looked for 1-minute signs of reversal. This was a paper trade. 1-minute signs of reversal, and soon as I see this candle close above here, I executed here and I said to myself, okay, there's a good chance that we might start moving bullish from this internal order flow. So I put my stop down here and my TP somewhere, my TP here on this line. These are daily highs and this is a daily candle close. So this is the wick, this is the candle close. And I put here and I said, okay, I might sell one here depending on how we get there, but I might sell one here and just leave the other one to TP. So that said, I entered here and I was, just looking for more confirmation as the trade went by. You can see we get into a little bit of drawdown, we test this order block, then we start going higher. Then we get the break of this high, we sell off a little bit, we test this order block, and then we have this push into this 1-hour order block top. And I was being very cautious here. And then I said, okay, there's this fair value gap, and then there's this order block right here, this 1-minute order block. I want to see it get respected. So we were chopping around here, and we were sort of respecting this internal order block. And I said, ideally, I want to see it close above this to give me more confidence. But yeah, if we zoom out, and I actually did this, if we zoom out to the 5-minute, you can see that, okay, we're testing this 5-minute fair value gap right there. So everything should be fine so far. Then we just get this, I don't know, I was looking at the side of my screen and I noticed something on the corner of just going up really fast, and I said, whoa, what's going on? And then I see this, and then I just sold one here. I was not in time to sell it right at the level, so I sold it right there, and I just said, okay, now I'm gonna just wait to hit the TP. You know, my trade, my entry is at break even. I'm just gonna wait it to hit the TP, and that's it. I'm done for the day. Now, I mentioned yesterday that I'm taking 2 trades a day, and usually my second trade is impulsive, or I'm trying to make up for losses. So I got recommended today, instead of just taking the half hour risk trade after, I'll paper trade it, just to avoid that mistake and to train my patience and my setup and my entry setups. So I did that today, and I guess you could call this a little bit impulsive because we just swept daily highs. So if I was still bullish, I should have waited for a bigger retracement. But yeah, mixed feelings on this one. I'm just trying to reassess for now my second trade and try to make it better. So that's it for day number 50. We are at 50,634, which is not bad. Also, this candle right here was being really annoying going into my entry. So I tried to buy three contracts on market and then cancel the order and set. And as soon as I buy the 3 contracts, it fills my order. So it actually bought me in for 6. So I sold the other 3 a little bit lower for minus 30. And yeah, just decided to de-risk it like that. But yeah, it was just keep coming to one tick to my entry and then went up, and then one tick and then going up again. So that's why you see buy 3, and then sell 3 right here. So that's it. Day number 50 is done. Very good emotional control. I said I literally don't care if it goes to my TP. I've waited so long and I executed to the best of my ability. So I have my stop loss on a safe place. So whatever the outcome is, I'm good with it. So very good there. A very nice execution. Hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow for day number 51.